So hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please, if you're new, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I want to talk about Alata Garden Diamond Natural Soap. It comes in black and this shade of color. The smell is quite very nice. I've used part of it. So if you're doing a lightning black soap and you're looking for something to activate it, this is one of the best soaps that you could use to activate your soap. It's a natural lightning soap. It moisturizes and also treats dry skin. All right, I think it's made in Cote d'Ivoire, so it's a very nice soap. Very nice soap. So just think to get it and use it to activate your black soap. I'm not sure if you can use it alone because I've not tried using it alone. I always use it to don't mind the dirt. So I've actually took it from my mixing jar. So I've used it to mix my black soap. So measuring a bit of small. I usually buy plenty for it to mix my black soap, my lightning black soap. So you can get it from our Instagram page if you want it. It's not expensive. It's like 1.7. So colors, it has a lemon fragrance. All right, I hope this helped.